Relocating doesn't have to feel overwhelming. We've put together a free 10-page Miramar Relocation guide to give you the details, checklists, and insider tips you need to make your move seamless. Inside, you'll find neighborhood maps, school resources, cost breakdowns, moving checklists, and a full step-by-step buyer's roadmap. And when you're ready, we can create a custom plan for your relocation. We'll help you find the right neighborhood, the right home, and guide you every step of the way. Click the link below to get your free guide today, or DM me at 954-895-0285 to get the latest info, home prices, referrals for handymen, plumbers, or any other type of help for your home. This is Enrico Roselli with the Roselli team at United Realty Group. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Miramar.